Alright, good afternoon everyone, and today we're going to have another tutorial for our Microsoft Server 2008. And now what we're going to do is to add a create an account and a group. So basically what we're going to do first is create an account and then create a group. Then second is create adding the account to create the group. Then next is add the account as a group manager. So, for example, if you are going to have a classroom and you have a class president to manage the group accounts, and so you're going to set that account to group manager. And then next, you're going to set it up the president as the account as his or her account as an administrator. So since we have almost a 5 or 6 classes, so there's going to be maybe 5 to 6 administrators. And then finally, we're going to test some of those accounts. So maybe test one of those. All right, so let's start. Under administrative tools, find these Active Directory users and computers, and then as you can see, I already have users here. My own user and this uh, Kimario. This is the president of this Visa KS1A. As you can see, I already have the group. So we're going to create another account first. So for us to create a new user, we're going to click this one, create a new user. And under the S1A, so this is their records under the BSI S1A. Maybe I think we already have this. So I'll do one here. So maybe we're going to add some of them, but let's just first add this one. First name is Interovic Isida. Pizza. Yeah. See, so we could assume the surname is this, and the middle is this. Um, the surname is this, and the middle is this. So it's the Abenita. Rovic Capricia. Rovic Kirkley. So we're going to have his user login name, make it short, Rovic Abenita gmail.com. So we're going to list this one as a user. Number one, email. For the email, we're going to have this what we made here, the Rovic Abenita. Copy here. As you can see in the previous tutorial, we have this domain here. login name. So we're just going to follow that. Pass the static password. So maybe we can just use it for everyone to be on next. So for this, the user login name, we're going to use this later on. So let's see first. Password user. So for our administrator, maybe we could let the administrator and other users to change their password. Yes. So the purpose of this password that we have is static password that we have. The other users, the other account that we're going to use is with a static password as well. Same password. So for them to change their password, we must change the password that Let's log in. So if the user logs in, the fresh account, you're going to set up the new password account post that he or she prefer. So yeah, that's pretty much how that this checkbox works. Finish. So as you can see, it's already added the user. So for us to create a group, so we already added the user, and now we're going to create a group. So since we have already existing BSIT S1A, we're going to have another ABNS. We're going to group, name it BSIT S1A, and add a new group. You click this one here. Group name is ITMS1A. Make it global, security, yeah. So that's pretty simple. That's how you add a group and add a user. So later on, we're going to add this a little bit quickly here at this BSID S1A where you belong because it is here the list of the tier lists. So right now, I'm going to have it here, and I'm going to come back again here for a few minutes. All right, so right now we're going to move on to our second step, adding the created account to the group. So first thing we need to do is open our 2008 server, click the base status 1A group, click members. As you can see, there's the Kim Mariel and its president. Click add. So here, as you can see, we have previously told you the objects to select. I told you that we're going to use something on the last step that we have done. We just need to go back there, but for now, what we need to do is to search for its name. So since we have the name of the email, so basically This is what we're going to search. We had it on the bottom recently when we were making it. So let's see if we can attempt to add him to the group. All right, Rovic. Basically, we're going to check if the name is here there. So this is so now uh, yeah, the Rovic ability existed. So basically, this was just a keyword, just a simple keyword for you to find the account. So it's unique for the Rovic Amanita. So when you're going to check for his name, you're going to basically have this on your list and find it here. So enter the object, so for the object names to select, and then click OK. And there you go. Rovic Kirtley is our main member. Then apply. Don't forget to click the apply, then click OK. And going to check it again, members. It's here already. Right. So again, we're going to right now going to create a account manager. So a president, we're going to be a group manager for a certain group. I'm going to go back for a minute and let's see for our third step. Alright, so now we have our list of the class president. So we already have this S1A. So now we're going to have this NS1A to for you to prove the and demonstrate the adding of presidents and manager organizations. Going to create a group again. No, we already have it existed, so we just need to add a member. So first, for us to add a member, we need to create an account. Save, Mark Jerome. Right? Mark, on it. So what I'm pointing out on the last tutorial is this user login name. We're going to find this user login name, which is this one, the pre-made to add a certain person, this person on a group. And we're going to use this as well to set it up on our next video. So next, for static password, for next, all that in here, click the NS1A, click members, and we click add. So we have this on it. Just going to keep tracking of the counts. You cannot forget. So okay, we have it here. So to add mark the account or mark the roles as a group manager, you just need to do is manage by and for the name, click the change, and we're going to search for his name again, the login account, login name, that names, then click OK, and then apply. And we already made Martironi Acosta as the manager of the PSIPNS1A group. So whenever going to add it, we added here, it's going to be added as a member. Martironi is going to be the um, manager. We're going to remove add account. You should probably basically do it. So for the final step, we're going to add, this, add him again as well as an administrator, like what we did in the S1A president. Click OK. Start. Administrative tools. Let's see the directory administrative center. Check it out here. Oh no, this one. I think we have here in the built-in here. So as you can hear, here's the administrators. Click the built-in here. We came from here, the users. Just click on the built-in administrators. Click the administrators. As you can see, there's the Mario and ours as the administrator. So in order for us to add these mark your own as a administrator, you just need to do pretty much the same step. Just add like the search for slogan name, names, click OK. Then click apply, and there you go. You have them as a administrator. Check it again, members. Here's him. So that's how you add a member, add a account to the group manager and an administrator. So what we're going to do is to test one out and to see if how it should work. So just need to access here. So yeah, we just need to test the accounts. We need to check a one account first. So we're going to do this in pretty much another video. So really just check out our latest videos we're going to post. So we just need to maybe log off this, right? Control delete. For Beanbox user, you need to control delete. Control the right control. You just need to um, use the right control, not the left one, and then delete. So for us to use maybe this one, we need to switch user. And I'll click other user. Username. The username is this one. Let's check my name. You can see it says that the user's password must be changed before logging into the first one. So click OK. So just for changing the password, we just need to basically just add 5 on this uh, new 5. It's just basically an example. The user could change his account password and his preference, so bear that in mind. So if you put this in, we can actually add the a or copy paste from the real OS to our virtual OS because there's no feature about that. So let's just click next. So as you can see, our passwords have been changed. We click OK. Go user settings, and then we just need to wait. And we have logged in as Mark Rana Costa. We can just use and which account does we want, just log it off and click control of the account delete and user. And yeah, that's pretty much all of it. But later on, I'm going to show you all of the accounts that we can add. We're going to create another, all of those. We will need to add 5 of them later. We're going to show you how. We're going to show you the added here. We're going to show you it here after some time. Just need to straight back it, add it, and yeah, we're just going to repeat the same steps. And I'm going to share it to you later on. Hello, so now I'm going to add a 5 member in member of Barca Costa in his section. So we're going to have an example of uh, this section. This one A, so just to start and then this. And here, just need to open this and add some numbers. Now we're going to add another one. Let's assume this is his middle initial, so maybe D. This one. We're going to just add four of them because we already have the class president as the first number. Okay, so we already had the four members, the four users, and now we're going to add users. Okay. First, so as Mark Yarone's account, we can add a phone number. First, we have a right? Another one, add the one, and the last one. Okay, that's why. Click OK, and check. Yeah, we already have five members on a group. Yeah, that's one A. So yeah, that's how you add a video, add a members, and pretty much everything. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.